Today we live in a world where if you have two eyes, and shame on you if you can see with only one eye. If you have two eyes, you will see that behind the glamour there is abject poverty and destitution in the world today. Large parts of the world today are enslaved. It's a new slavery. And do you call this the best of all worlds? John Perkins wrote a book entitled Confessions of an Economic Hitman, which I would like to suggest that you read. Because in that book he gave the evidence to confirm the truth of the Quran. When in Surah Ali Imran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the command, لا تأكلوا الربا أضعافا مضاعفة, that riba multiplies compound interest, so that you can actually enslave people by lending money on interest. So when the money lender lent on interest, he wasn't lending on interest simply for the pound of flesh. He was on a more dangerous mission than accumulating wealth. He lent money on interest because he wanted to enslave you, so he could rule over you. And John Perkins provided an abundance of evidence to support what has happened in the world during these last 30, 40 years in particular.